alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Wednesday, that is your day, Wish Wednesday. You wish for songs, and I bring them up here for you on Growing Guitar. And this time you took the chance, Sharky. You asked for a song from Abe Parker. It's called How to Love, and I choose to play on my red guitar. Red, the color of love. This is a guitar from Acoustic Guitars. If you want to have one of these, then make sure you use my coupon code Guitar10 to get 10% off. Why not? And give yourself something to play on this time of year. Anyway, let's go into this one, and hope you will enjoy it, Sharky, and all you Abe Parker fans out there. Now, we need to have a setup. Capo on fifth, the absolute best scenario for us. With that, we have these four chords rolling. Okay, in the intro, I play a little melody for you. My intention wasn't to teach how to play this because it's kind of built into the chords. I believe we're gonna start with the chords. Maybe I can give the melody as well. If it's a melody or not, that's a question. The chords are the most important things here. So let's go into the chords first. We're gonna start with F, and that is a bar chord. You start with index finger on this first fret. You push down all strings on that first fret, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. That's the starting point. The next chord will be C, and that goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Next up is G, third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E, and finally E minor. Open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so these four chords roll in that same order through the entire song. F, C, G, E minor. So very easy chords with that cape on. That makes life much easier. Now let's go into the strumming first. So we have a two-part strumming. So F is played with part 1, then C part 2, and then G part 1 and E minor part 2. So the parts goes like this. From F to C. Let's start with that. So F, you just play 3 downs. That's it. That's part 1. Then you go to the part 2, C chord, and play up, down, down, down. That's part 2. So together, down, 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 up, down, down, down. F to C. And then you apply the same principle for the next 2 chords. G is played with the 3 downs. Part 1, down, 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 and then E minor, up, down, down, down. So. And that is one round. You just have to play this over and over again through an entire song. So let's go for a couple of rounds together. F, C, G, and E minor. Okay, so there you have it, guys. Now, I'm just going to give you the notes to highlight and try to aim for when you're playing this strumming pattern on this chord. So, okay, so for F, that is the second fret G string. That is important here, so try to get that when you play the strumming. And then on the C chord, you have the first fret B string. Okay, so F, C, then on the G chord, that open B string. And on the E minor, the open G. So when I play the strumming, I try really to get these notes there into the downstrokes and ups. Okay, so and for the melody, you can also add on two notes or notes around that specific that I just mentioned. So perhaps the open G string on that C, and then on the E minor, maybe the second fret D string or so, because that belongs to the chord. So it doesn't hurt to give the melody some extra notes from the actual chord. It will sound great. So anyway, to focus here is the chord, the strumming, and that first specific note that I just mentioned. And there you have it. So Abe Parker's How to Love, very easy to play. So hope you enjoyed it, Sharky, and all you Abe fans out there. Hope to see you soon. And if you want your song here on this channel, you know what to do. You leave me a comment. I read everything. Yeah, choose one or two every Wednesday, and that's it. That's a simple deal. So thank you for watching, guys. Hope to see you soon. Till next time.